Welcome to Bamfordrose and another question of the week. This question of the week is about brake pad options, and as you can see from this rather nice video clip, there are some of you that do use the car spiritedly on the track, and you do need to change from the factory brake pads. So if you've got a 6-piston front caliper already, GT8 or a V8 which had either a Vantage S or it's a later 4.7 and it's got the 6-piston caliper option on it, any V8 Vantage with a 6-piston caliper, if you start to use those brakes hardly on a track, get them hot, you'll start to experience fade eventually, and you'll start to grind a little bit of the pad material into the disc. So there's a couple of options on the 6-piston caliper. First option would be an RS29 pad, and we've had great success at that. That works in most cases. You can combine that with a fluid change, maybe some SPF, higher grade than the Super Dot 4 brake fluid. The next option upwards, and we've fitted this to 2 cars now, and the car that you just saw in the video had it as well. This is again, it's a Pagid pad, and it's a E8081 RSL1 pad, and you can see from the image that I've shared, there's a link, you can find that. There's a couple of places on the interweb that sell that pad. That pad is phenomenal. You could use it all day long and you won't overheat the pad, start to grind it into the disc. I wouldn't go for any other pads, and unless they're made by Pagid, don't buy them. Any of the other brands out there that outlets recommend, I've seen error states in all of them. The pad overheats or the pad just doesn't get hot enough. There's all error states in all of them. Brake pads made by Pagid, brake discs Brembo, nothing else.